All right, so here we have a level control system that consists of a float switch sensor and electronic control unit, and this one's controlling a solenoid valve to fill the tank. So I'll just take off this guard here so that you can see the three sensors. And when the lowest one is low, it turns on the solenoid valve. So that's indicated by this light here. Turns green, and the valve has a light. It indicates when it's on. This happens to be a CPVC valve, which is really good for DI or RO water. Anyway, what will happen is now that the valve is open, it's going to fill the tank up until this float rises. And then the next float will also rise, and then it will shut off the fill. And you can see the light on the solenoid valve went off, and that's pretty much all it does. It just, as the tank evaporates, it's going to trigger another fill like that, and it just goes about its business in the background and doesn't do much of anything. If the level ever goes too high like this, then it's going to go into an alarm state, of course, like that. And it will also shut off the valve if the valve is open at the time. We'll just demonstrate that. So let's say, and we can actually toggle this on and off too, as long as the level is in the correct range here. So let's say that the valve is on, and now the float switch goes too high. It'll shut the valve off like that. So, and this one happens to be connected by a disconnectable probe. So this can be, these float switches can be, replaced easily enough. And like I said, and the adjustment is here. This one's very close to the surface. It gives about a 4-inch depth, but this can be adjusted up and down like so. And actually, it can be adjusted, kind of. When this guard is in position, it can actually slide quite a ways up. But anyway, these are made to custom depth, whatever is needed. And so that's a look at the LC3 level control box with a level probe.